Alright YouTube, 106 Falcon here. Alright, I got the parts in. This is a HP G series. This is the 029WM laptop. Freaking built like a piece of crap. I got the new lower case in from eBay. Alright, it was like, I can't remember what it was, $15.99, whatever. It did not come with the bottom, two bottom pieces there for the rear feet, which I don't know if the people that own this have them or if they broke when they dropped it. But now I've taken the screen assembly apart here. Took the bezel off. I mean, this thing is really fragile piece of crap. I mean, the whole thing's built like a piece of crap, so real easy to take off. You just pop it out basically. On the bottom here, it's, you know, a little sticky tape, not very much, so just get like a, I don't know, like a credit card or something, just go through there, peel that off. Now I had to take that apart because the upper case it was broken as well. The brass inserts had pulled out because this hinge on this side, when they dropped it, that torsion bar broke. Alright, and believe me, you need them torsion bars in there because there's so much flex in the when you open up the screen there. Definitely not like the older laptops. I mean, like I say, just absolute garbage. So I'm hoping, what I did is I took them inserts, put them in with JB Weld back in there. What I did is I put the little screws back in the inserts. I filled each one of where the inserts go, I filled them with the JB Weld, not the quick set, just the standard stuff. I had the screws in the inserts, and I pushed them in. All right. The quick set, I thought would set too quick, because what I want to do is be able to work the screws out a little bit at a time, because you do have a little gap at the bottom there. So it squeezed all the stuff out. It's been like 22 hours since I did that, so I'm hoping that once we replace the bottom case, that the inserts will stay with the new hinge with the torsion bar on it, because the upper cases are a lot more expensive than the lower case, which I don't understand, because there's like nothing here. So let me yeah, here's the new hinges I got. They were like $11. Both these items got here real quick, so let me get her closed up, turned over. We'll start getting the screws out. Alright, so to get the top plate off of the lower case, you know, keyboard, everything, I already did that video on the keyboard and whatnot and DVD. You just got to take out all the screws. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There's supposed to be a screw here that's out because the case is busted, so the insert's out, but I do have that screw there. Got the other one right there. Just any of the screws here, because you're gonna have to take DVD and keyboard, you know, all that out anyways when you replace the lower case. So take them out, and we'll flip her over. So I'll be right back after I get them screws out. It's just a little, you know, Phillips head screwdriver, no big deal. I'll be back. Okay, so I got the screws out from the bottom, all of them, and if you do it, don't worry about them. They're all the same length, except for the two that are up by the hinges on the back. They're longer, but all the rest are the same length, so you don't have to worry about that. Alright, so we'll pop the keyboard out. Get that out. I just can't believe how freaking crappy they build these things now. And then we want to get the ribbon cable off, which is just flipping up the catch down there. Bam, done. This thing is filthy too, it's got to get cleaned. Alright, so we got that out. Then you want to take off, you want to release this ribbon cable right here and right here, which is under this tape. So, yeah, we'll do this one first. Wait a minute. Sorry, wrong way. Of course, you don't want to cut the ribbon cable. Alright, so we got that there. Alright. Then we got to take out, there's a couple screws up here. There's 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, that we got to get out. And these are the same as the screws on the bottom, so you don't have to worry about messing them up. Just pop all that crap out. Now this 029WM, it's like hardly any information on this at all, but you know, I'm pretty sure the 15Gs are pretty much all the same, you know. I mean, you're not going to buy the same parts. Like with this one here, if you need to order the lower case, you got to take this top off because you want this number, this part number right here to match. All right. So, and the only way you can find it is to remove, you know, the upper plate here. All right, so that's done. So now we just need to get in here and crack this case. Now this one here, it's broken where the DVD drive goes, so it's already a little loose. Come on. Oh no. Sorry, I forgot. Shit. There's 2 screws that go in above where the... Why aren't they on this? You gotta pop the DVD player. Come on, DVD. Pop the DVD ROM out, bam. There's 2 screws, 2 Phillips heads right here, and they're small ones. So since I can't pick this up because I have the screen disconnected, I'm gonna have to look from the side here. Oh crap, you know what, they're up top here. So I'm gonna have to close this again. Son of a bitch. And then get them from the... Yeah, that's how they go. They're up. I don't know if you can see this. Right here. Bam, bam. Damn it. So, when you get all the screws out, you want to pop your DVD drive. And then... these 2 screws right here. Now these are little ones. Where the fuck is that? Right there. So see, there's hardly any thread on these at all. So you won't be able to mistake them for anything else. Alright, now we can do what I was gonna do. Ha! What a freaking moron. Alright. Okay. So now here we go. Now this will pop out. Oh crap. I gotta put the freaking hinges up. I'm trying to rush because my memory card is about full on my camera and I'm too damn lazy to go change it out on the computer. Alright. Get your hinges back up and then you can get the crap apart. Freaking moron. Oh God. Come on. See, it's not good to rush. Never good to rush anything because you'll end up screwing everything up. Do, 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 do. Alright, then we're going to have nothing. Because you only have these two ribbon cables there, and then your top will come off. So bam! After a lot of screwing around, got that off. Now we got to take our components out. Alright, which, if you're just doing a hard drive, right there. So you gotta take that top off for the hard drive. Memory replacement. Got no freaking idea. But we'll take that hard drive out real quick. You gotta take 1, 2 screws out right here. I mean, it's not hard to take apart. If you have, and they're the same size, the screws, as the rest of the screws. So, you know, just mix and match. Then you just get your little tabby here, lift it up and pull your hard drive out and bam. Hard drive done. It looks like it's going to be a pretty straightforward transfer. We have the motherboard. Looks like we have 1, 2, just 1, 2. Take out of there. We got to get the USB thingamajiggity off right there. 1 screw. And that should be our upper end. Now we gotta take the unplug the LCD screen, which is right here. Okay, so I'm back here, YouTube. Basically, to get this cable off, just peel the tape back so you're off. Grab the cable and just walk it straight back. Look, and it'll pull out. Alright, so we got that. Now what I'm going to do after looking at this, I'm going to take, there's 3 screws on the fan, holding that in. There's 1 screw here, which I don't know if this is camera, microphone, or what. 1 screw, 1 lead on there. The other lead has nothing on it. Remove the speakers, which, just pull that out. Both the speakers run into this 1 connector here. Get this screw out here on this USB hub, and we should be able to get all this stuff out. Oh, you also have to take the hinge off, at least the left hinge as you're looking at it, because you see it goes over top of this is the charge port underneath there. So take this hinge off, which is just 2 screws, 2 little screws there, but we'll see. I'll be right back. Alright, so hopefully I don't run out of card space. So I'm going to, yeah, if you want to change out the hinges, it's just taking the top off. This one has 3 screws on this side, which I'll pull out right now. I'll set them aside just for turds and giggles. Alright, so bam, that side would be out. Then you can put the new one in, 1 screw up top on the screen. Get this one out here. That up and out of the way. Bam, that hinges off. Alright. Now I'm going to get out the fan screws. And also, if you got to replace a fan, I mean, this fan is actually pretty easy to get at, regardless of how crappy this computer is built. I've done some where, my God, that fan is like a nightmare to get to. So that's pretty easy there. We're going to pop this lead off of here. And again, I don't have a static strap or anything, so don't be bitching about that. Just the way I roll, baby. Alright, get that screw out. That's a little bitty one. So I don't know if that, I don't even know if I had to take that out, but yeah, alright, so whatever that is, just pulled right out. So I'll set that off to the side there. Get the motherboard screws out. Off the USB hub here. This is got a little tape on it. Okay, we get that. I'm gonna pull this fan off and blow it out. Alright, let's see here. So we must have, I'm going to disconnect the screen, because there's got to be a couple tangs under these ports here to keep me from getting that motherboard out. So there, now the screen's disconnected. Alright, not sure what happened, but what I did was I just lifted at the back here and this thing just slid right out. My granddaughter wants to say hi to YouTube. Then we get, where are we at here? My finger. For the power port there, just a second, Harper. Alright, we get that. Can you see me? Because I can't see what the heck I'm looking at here. Right here. And that just lifts out. And then bam, done. So there, right, oh shebang. There's your one stick of RAM. That's all that this can have is one stick of RAM. So we got that. Thank you, honey. Here, let's put it over here. So that's it. Now I'm going to unplug the fan. So I want to take it out and blow it off. Alright, fan's detached. The motherboard bottom is nice and clean though. Not too dusty, but I do want to blow off the fan. So let me set this off to the side. But basically it's as simple as that. We'll start slapping it back together in a minute. I just want to blow this out because you see it's got a little crud in there. It's not bad, but
just got a little crud in it.
Alright, Harper wants to say hi. Where are you at there, sweet? Alright, I'll be back in a minute. I gotta dump some of this video footage. I'm out of space. Okay, so I'm back, ready for a transplant. You can see I have my surgical work area ready to roll. So let me get stuff set up and I'll be back. Alright, YouTube. So here we go. We're gonna put this puppy back together. I mean, I'm sure you don't need to see this part of the video, but we're gonna do it anyways. Just in case I screw it up. So now what I'm going to do before I put the upper part on here, well, I'll stick the hard drive back in now just for turds and giggles. Hard drive in, done. Alright, hard drive installed. Now we can get
So sorry.
I'm going to run the display and the speaker or whatever this wire is here, speaker, camera, whatever it is. Alright, bam, done. Put this back in. It's in, bam, done. Alright, now I'm going to take the screws out of the upper case. And to change out the LCD, it's just 4 screws, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then there's a ribbon cable on the back of the LCD. You just pull off if you want to change out your screen, easy peasy. Alright, so we got that. These are already out. I gotta take the broken torsion bar out here.
Just like I remember. Me too. I'm going to write down the recipe so I don't forget again. And next Saturday, you can make it for me.
Alright, so that's part of the broken. Alright, so I think what we gotta do is get this up. That over. Can't see what I'm doing, just a second here. Alright, I'm getting the torsion bar secured up top there, over here. Honey, hit OK on the Roku, please. So your show will continue. Alright, so we got that in. Now we're going to get the actual hinge bases screwed in. Make sure they work. Well, Poppy doesn't want any of them right now, sweetie. I want to get this done. But thank you for the offer. What? Yes, after I'm done. Alright, what's going on here? Oh, there we go. Honey, you gotta back up, sweetie. Poppy will be done here in a minute, and then we will
make a video for me.
Well, we'll do something. Look out the back door, see if Trudy wants to come in yet.
Huh?
Look out the back door and see if Trudy wants to come in yet. You don't have to go out there. Well, alright. She ready to come in? Alright, honey. Huh? No, Poppy will get her just a minute, because Rabbit's out there, so I don't want her tearing off after Rabbit. Alright, where are the rest of my,
pieces go?
Yes.
They're all back here. The big pieces.
No, my little silver, or my little screws, honey. Oh, there's another one. There's one.
Don't see any on the ground.
Oh, bitty. There's the other one. All right, let's see here. All right. Well, we're gonna see if this will work. All right. Well, that works. So that's hinge replacement. Now, if we didn't have that torsion bar here, this would flex and pop these out. All right. But see, with that torsion bar, we're pretty good right there. So I'm happy with that.
Let's make sure it's going to function.
This time, I'm definitely got. I might break the calculations you just
I only got 3 minutes left, so. Alright, she's booting up, as you can see, possibly. Alright, I'll shut this off. Wait a minute, I'll be right back. Alright, so real quick here, I got 2 minutes left on my SD card. You just take the bezel, slip back over top of the hinges, and it just pops in.
Here's an extra screw.
Yeah, that's not extra sweet. Papa needs that for. So you just pop it in around there.
Awesome! I love it, Rick. Now all you have to do is fly.
And that's it. Bam. Done. Alright, there. See ya. It just